In this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just click on the search button right here and search in here for Alibaba. Once you have searched for that, you can see this dropshipping Alibaba official. So just click on that, and then you should be able to be installed on your Shopify app store, and then just install it from there, and you'll redirect it in here once you have created an account. So as you can see right here, I need to sign in first. Just click on sign in. Then I will sign in through my Google because that is easier. So I'll just choose in here my actual email. And then from in here, I will be prompted to sign in. And as you can see, I have now signed in on the Alibaba. So what I can do right here is I can actually head over and just look for the products that I can add on my Alibaba. So for example, I will add this earphones right here. I can click on this add to import lists right here. So let me just click on this. As you can see, importing has been completed. You can also add in more products if you want, like for example, this watch right here. Click on this add to import list. As you can see, import has been completed. You can also add in few more like this handbags right here. And then once it's been added, you can head over to your import list. So let's head over in here on our import list, and we should be able to see the things that we have imported. So we have here the bag, so let's check that. We also have here the watch in here. So what we can do is we can actually head over and click on this push to store right here. So let's click on this push to store, but you also have the option to changing their price right here for you to have profit. So I will click on this push to store right here. And as you can see, it will load and this product will be pushed to my store. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the pushing process. In here, you can see that it's still loading. And when you see this eye icon right here, you can see that it's still pushing on this specific store that I have. Now, one product has been successfully pushed. And once it's been pushed, you should be able to see it on your products on your actual Shopify store. Now, let's just first wait for this one to finish the pushing process on them. So let's just wait for this right here. And once it's been done, we should be able to see it. So as you can see right now, the push has been succeeded. And you can actually view this on my products right here in Alibaba first before you head over on your store. So under the products, you can see this product we have added. So let's head over in here on our store on Shopify and let's try to refresh it. Then we should be able to see the handbag as well as the watch we have added. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And then let's scroll down. And as you can see, the bag has been added right here. And when you scroll down, you can see that the watch has been added in here as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.